It is about 8:30 p.m. on Wednesday, January 16th, 2013. And I took Tully for a walk. As you can see, she's sniffing the heat pump here. Took Tully for a walk and just to see if I could get a video of the Rheem defrosting, because I can't get Tully to use the bathroom. And I sense a steam show of epic proportions. I don't think the ice on the top has anything to do with the unit freezing up, but I took a look at the, as you can see, the condenser coil's pretty frozen.
Is your dog friendly?
Yeah, this is Tully.
Hi, you are too cute. What's the name?
Tully. She's named after Tullamore Dew whiskey.
Oh, Tully, nice.
She belongs to the general manager of Puck. Oh, sweet.
Who, Mike? Is it Mike?
Yeah.
Mike that does the booking?
Yeah. No, Sam.
Okay. Oh, this is what you were talking about, it frosted over.
Well, actually, that's just frost from
I've never seen it do this.
It should be steaming any minute now. But that frost on top of the unit, I think that just has to,
I've never seen it do this.
That's just from the ice we had. There should be steam coming out the top of the unit any minute now.
Tully. Hi, girl. How old is Tully?
5 months, 6 months.
Oh, baby. She's beautiful.
Yeah, she's a boxer Labrador mix.
Well, a boxer lab?
Yeah.
She's beautiful, man.
But yeah, as I was saying, I don't the frost on the top of the unit, that's just from the ice freezing rain we had.
Yeah.
But I walked up on it and the condenser was absolutely frozen solid. There it goes. Steaming. Alright, nice talking to you. There it is, it's steaming. And Tully, I think Tully is actually licking the runoff from the condenser. What is the condenser? I'm all tied up by Tully's leash here. This is better than with the iPhone. Nice steam show. And in 1080p with my new SLR. That is epic. And Tully, it's so hilarious. Tully's like walking up to the heat pump, sniffing it. She's like, "What the hell is that?" She doesn't know what to make of it. Another Rheem steam show. It's probably gonna come back on. And I'll bet you when the compressor kicks back into the heat mode, when the reversing valve switches, Tully is going to be scared. Oh, that's even better than the last one. Look at that. That is epic. Holy shit. Don't want to get this too close. I don't want to get moisture in the lens. Tully, get out of there. There it goes. Whoa, damn. Look at all the steam coming out of it. I think there's still steam coming out of it. Nice. And Tully wasn't scared. That was actually a pretty quiet recycle. Yeah, it is about... I'm going to have to turn off the flashlight to... hold on a minute. Okay, it is 34 degrees outside, so it's not technically freezing, but with the wind chill, it probably feels like it's below freezing. And it's been raining all day, freezing rain, sleet. Humidity's very high, so that was perfect weather for a steam show. And I got it, though. Yeah. Never seen this before. I have a feeling this might have been really, really frozen at one point. Basically what I think happened is this unit got really, really frozen for whatever reason, and the ice really, really accumulated, and this is just leftover ice from when it was really, really frozen. That's what it looks like. I have never seen this kind of frost buildup on a condenser before. And my battery's about to die on the SLR, but I actually got a steam show. Another steam show from the Rheem, but yeah, that's solid freaking ice right there. And this cannot be too good for the airflow of the condenser fan. That is solid ice. Good lord. All right. But yeah, steam show from the Rheem. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Out.